In this video I'm going to teach you about the arrays in Python. So arrays in Python we use when we want to store multiple values of same data type in single variable. Arrays use index and the index starts from 0, so it means every value of array has a particular index. To use arrays in Python, first we have to import arrays module, and it comes built in with Python 3, so you don't have need to install arrays package. So let's first import it. Import and array. So now over here I'm gonna say my array equal to, and now let's call the array module, and inside this array module we have array. So the syntax of array is opening and closing parentheses. Now first you have to specify the type code. Type code means which type of data you are going to store in your array. So I for integer and F for float. I'm going to store some integers, and then square brackets, and now inside these square brackets I'm going to store some integers. So let's say 10, 20, 30, and let's say 40. Now I'm gonna print index 1, so print and my array square brackets and 1. So now I'm gonna run the program. We will get 20. On one index we have 20, so we can also change the index's value. So I'm gonna change one index value. Let's change to 100, and now if I run the program, this time we will get 100. We got 100. We can only save same data type in array. If I change 100 to some string, this time we will get an error. So you can see we can only store same data type in array. If you want to work with strings and 2D arrays, then install NumPy module, which allows us to work with 2D arrays and scientific computing. So in Python mostly we use list instead of arrays. List is very powerful data structure in Python. I hope now your concept would be clear about arrays in Python.